Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, your World Explorer. Right now, you're looking at a Prime Arc Freedom Blackberry sapling. Now, it's sitting in bottled water. So I just took some bottled water, opened it up, poured it in the glass, and it's going to sit in this water for 20 minutes because it just came in my mailbox. Okay? So the recommendation is to put it in this super clean bottled water for 20 minutes. No chlorine. This is not tap water. Now, as you can see here, the root ball is wrapped with paper towel. So I don't really want to disturb the roots from the mass of soil that they kept with this. So I'm just going to take some of the exterior layers off of the root mass as far as this paper towel goes. But I'm mostly going to keep the root ball intact in the original soil that they have it wrapped with. Okay, folks, I'm taking this, I think it's a 2-gallon pot. It doesn't really tell me. Yeah, it's somewhere around there. It's a little bit bigger pot. But I'm going to put a good solid thick layer of these leaves in the bottom. Nearly half full, so now I'm going to go for some sand. Sand is in, now I'm going for 2 more inches of leaves. Okay, the leaves are in. I put a soda can in the middle to leave room for the root ball that I'm about to drop in there. Now I'm going to put some more sand on the top of that layer of leaves. Alright, sand is in. Now I'm going for a little bit more leaves, and then the top layer is going to be sand, and then possibly leaves as like a mulching layer. That's only about 1 inch of leaves. Now I'm put 1 inch of sand. Now I'm going to go ahead and water this in so that the sand gets all stuck together. Alright, it's watered in. My timer just went off, so the blackberry sapling needs to come out of that water and go into the soil here. Okay, we're ready to do the transfer. First, I want to get some of those layers of paper towel off of that sapling right there, off of the root ball. There we have that. Excuse me. Now I'm going to pull this can out. Watch how cool this is. Ready? It's the deep abyss. So this is just going to slide right in there. And then I'll put some sand in around it. And the sand is in and around the root ball. Now I'm going to put my last layer of mulch on, but first I want to water this in one more time. Alright, she's watered in. I'll put the last layer of leaves on top. Okay, last layer of leaves are down. Now I want to place this in a dappled sunlight location that also is protected from any kind of squirrels, rabbits, birds, you name it. And there you have it, folks. We're in a dappled sunlight location. It actually, if you look up, it gets dappled sunlight through most of the day because it's under the canopy of an oak. And then it gets a little bit of morning sunlight and some evening sunlight. So this is what they recommend when you're trying to grow these in Florida, zone 9 or even 10A. Anyhow, folks, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, as it helps the channel tremendously. And stay tuned as I keep you updated on the progress of this Prime Arc Freedom Blackberry and whether or not we can successfully grow it here in our location in Florida. Have a great day.